welcome. Okay, let's get into it. Hello. Why am I so happy today? I don't know. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, welcome again. Okay, my name is Aramide Oyewole. Yes, me. Okay. So in today's episode, we're going to be doing a highly requested video. When I posted my first video about finance, lots of people sent me DMs, emails, and all of that, and they were like, I should do a video on side hustles, and that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. So you definitely want to keep on watching to the end because I have a special package for you guys at the end of this video. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing some of the hustles I did in nursing school, which helped me, get a little cash by the side. Some of us didn't have steady allowance, so but we thank God for being God. Okay, so yes, the number one thing on my list for today when it comes to side hustling is learning a skill. I know you hear this every time, like everybody's always saying learn a skill, but you're like, what skill now, bro? What skill? Funnily enough, learning a skill is like one of the major ways that most people make money. Okay, there are so many skills. Little advice for you guys is, okay, now that most classes are online and all of that, this is a great opportunity for you to learn a skill. There are so many skills out there. For the guys, you can learn barbing. Even if you're a girl or a lady, a woman, you can actually learn how to barb a hair, guys, because haircut is like always booming. Guys always cut their hair. Always they cut their hair like maybe once a week. Think minimally, like that's the least they cut their hair. So if you're even a lady that is doing something different, imagine if I see, like hairdressing now, guys make hair, and most of we ladies, we will go to guys to make her hair for us because we're like, it's not so common. That means they must be so talented and all of that. So if you do something that is different from the norm, it kind of attracts that shima. Okay, yes. So learning a skill is so important. It is a top one for me. Yes, you can learn fashion designing. You can learn how to, this chicken is just crowing, I don't know why. You can learn fashion designing, you can learn how to cut hair, you can learn how to make hair, you can learn how to bake. And please, when it comes to learning a skill, do something you like. I just had to move closer for that. Do something you like, guys. This is so important. I spent a long time learning a skill that I had like zero interest in. Oh god, you don't want to know how that ended, guys. You don't want to know. Okay, so little reminder, if you're liking this video so far, do well to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so yes, there's so many skills you can learn, and learning a skill like never fades out because people always need things. People always need things. People always need to make their hair, they always need to look good. You can learn makeup and all of that. The skill I learned, well, not really a skill. My mom is into popcorn making, and I just, I stayed with her for a couple of times, and I saw how she made it, and I didn't have money to buy a machine, and I was telling her that I wanted to start this business in school, but she was like, oh, you don't have money for a machine and all of that. I was like, oh, how am I going to do it? So I went to YouTube because YouTube is like a search engine. Yeah. So I went to YouTube and I searched for how to make popcorn without a machine, and I saw a video of how to make popcorn with a pot. Yes. So this is not related to my video, so I'm not going to teach you how to do that. Yes. So I learned it, and I did that in school for a long time. I think I did that for like 2 years, and it really brought me cool cash. Like, let's not talk about how much cash, but the cash was cool. Okay, so yes, learning a skill is so important. I'm saying that again. I've said that like 4 times now. Moving on to point number 2. The number 2 thing you can do to earn a little cash as a side hustle and all of that is to buy and sell. Yeah, like, please. Yes, people buy and sell. In fact, I don't think there's anybody on my contact list. Maybe like at least there are like 10 people on my contact list that sell that buy and sell shoes and bags. Like, that is so common. So if you want to do that, that's fine, but that's not what I'm telling you to do now. Okay, so yeah, there's something I bumped into. I don't really have a passion for it, so I'm not doing it, but I'll put an Instagram for you, but it's not my calling, so no, I'm not doing it. But I'm just going to advise you, it may be it for you, right? So that's phone, case, accessories. I know it sounds so much. Even when I end it, I was like, what? Yeah. So if you go to AliExpress, yes, yeah, AliExpress.com, and you type in phone cases and you search, you're going to see a whole lot and varieties of phone cases for very very little money. I'm not going to say how much, so I won't spend anybody's business. Yes, so they are actually really cheap there if you just go to aliexpress.com and you make sure that you get a supplier that's trusted, like you check the reviews, look for reviews that have pictures and all of that, not just, oh, the phone case is good, blah blah blah. Read the reviews, see what this certain supplier has that makes him or her unique, and you know buy from your supplier, get, and bring it down to Nigeria and make your whole cash. But before you do that, create awareness, so don't go buy phone cases and nobody will buy at the end. I'm just saying. Okay. Step number 3. Oh, it's supposed to be 3. Step number 3 is being a middleman. Yes. In fact, if you're looking for middleman queen, that's me. Being a middleman is so sweet, guys. I'm telling you. I don't know if it's like fraud or cheating or anything, but I don't know. Okay. So guys, let me explain this middleman thing. For instance, now, you know someone that maybe prints, or let's say, for instance, like a designer or graphic designer or something, maybe does business card and all of that, and your friend just has a new business, and needs someone to help with the business card design and everything. You do like a referral or something, but you like, if the designer that your friend wants to like give you a cut, maybe 5% or anything, you're the middleman and you're getting your money. I mean, things like that actually work. I'm serious. Like, I know some people that sell certain things and I know people that need those things, so I kind of link them, or I collect the money and I buy for them and I get my own cut, or whichever way works for you. So that's it. Being a middleman is actually very very lucrative. You guys, I can't believe you've not liked this video. Did I offend you? Please, now it's free. Like it. Better comment if you liked it though, so that I will know. Don't worry, I'll reply you. Alright, so the fourth way is selling your skills. I know I said learning skills before, so now you sell them. There are various ways one can sell skills. I mean, the world is so digital now. You can just put your skills up on Fiverr and make money from it. I mean, seriously. So once you learn that skill, you selling it and utilizing it is a side hustle. Apart from, okay, let's say for instance now you learned how to bake. Okay, so you learn that skill, you bake it for people. So now when you sell the skill, you probably put it on Fiverr and you teach people how to bake, or you organize a class, or you can make an ebook and you sell and your money comes in. Cool cash. Okay. Now another way is thrift. Thrift is like the new thing right now. So yes, thrift, in case you guys don't know, let me try and explain it. Like when you buy a thrift store now for clothes or whatever you want to sell, when you buy those stuff at a cheaper price, you kind of like open a business page for it and you sell them at a price that's convenient for you and you make your profit, right? So there's so many markets that you can get cheaper things from. If you stay in Lagos, you should check out Yaba Market, you check out Oshodi and Lagos Island. Those are 3 I know of. I think Balogun Market in Lagos Island. Those are 3 I know of. So when you get your stuff at cheap prices, you just resell them at prices that are convenient for you and you make your money. Like, that's a very very cool way of making money. So yes, the special offer I have for you guys is I'm organizing a class. Okay, so if you want to learn how to crochet, which I am teaching and I do, it's a very very lucrative skill. So do well to send me a DM or send me a mail. I would reply. So yes, I'm organizing a class, and class is so affordable and pocket friendly because I understand the economical issue that is happening. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'm so honored. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.